Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Welcome to IT Wizard Official. If today is your first time joining my page, kindly subscribe to my channel and also allow the notification button so that you can receive my future updates or any future upload that I will do on this channel. Alright, so today we are going to talk about how to request for financial aid on Coursera. You're going to see a course on Coursera that you want to enroll, but you don't have this enough you don't have enough money to enroll the course. You can ask for or you can request for financial aid, and that is what you are going to do today. So before you do that, you have to go to Google. You have to Google and search for Coursera. You have to search for Coursera. Then we click enter. So we have Coursera, which is the first one, and we have the second one. Let's choose the second one because the first one is a sponsored ad, and I don't want to click on the sponsored ad. I want to click on the original ad. So you click on Coursera. All right, so this is Coursera right here. All right, so we want to so let's join Coursera. Make sure that you have an account, you have an Google account so that you can join Coursera. Before you can request for financial aid, you have to join. You have to log into Coursera. So let's log into Coursera. Okay, so I'll just use my Google account. I'll use my Google account. Okay, so let's wait for it to finish loading. All right, so we have logged into Coursera. So so we are in Coursera. So let's wait for it to finish loading so that we move from here. We move from here. All right, so what you're seeing right now is numerous courses that is on Coursera. So you can find all these courses when you log into Coursera. Um, so right now we want to find a course that you used to demonstrate. You used to demonstrate through this video. Okay, so let me search for a course. So let's see. Let me search for. Um, okay. Okay, so let's choose Google IT Support Professional Certificate. So this is what we are going to work on. This is what we are going to work on. So we have Google's IT support. We have Google IT support. Okay, so which one are we taking? Okay, okay. So I think let's choose the first one. Okay, so most are professional certificates. You can see that we have professional certificate. We have here too professional certificate. So between these two, let's choose one. Let's see which one has more ratings. All right, so this one has more ratings, which is 176.2K reviews. So let's click on that one. So that's what we are going to use as our demonstration on this video. All right, so we have this page. After clicking on the course, you'll be redirected to this page. That is where the magic begins. Alright, so you want a financial aid. They're saying that enroll for free. Start at August. You enroll for free, but that is free trial. You have to enroll for free as a free trial within 7 days. You are going to be charged. Yeah, you're going to be charged. You're going to be charged because you are going to pay, and it's not actually free. You're going to get 7 days free trial. After the 7 days, you're going to be charged. That's why before you enroll, you ask for your credit card. So we let's just click enroll and see if okay. So you see 7 day free trial, which is it has unlimited access to all courses in the certificate. You can cancel at any time. Which is $14 per month to continue learning after trial ends. So every a month you have to spend $14 to get access to the course after the free trial. We have certification when you complete the trial. Alright, so we are not going to use this because if you're going to use it because you're not going to use this because you are going to request for a credit card, of which maybe you don't have a credit card and maybe you don't want to use credit card, but you need support. You don't have the money to pay. So that's what we are going to do on this video. So you don't have money to pay for the course. So what you have to do is you have to request for financial aid. And luckily, this course we have something here which is financial aid available. So this course is support financial aid. So what we have to do is we have to request for financial aid. Understand? So so we click on the financial aid. So let's come back. We click on the financial aid available. So let's click on the financial aid. So we have clicked on it and you see we have um, 1 out of 10 open applications. All right. So original price is $49. That is the original price, but I think Coursera is giving for us as $14. That is very good. All right. So let's choose course one because without course one you can't go to course two. So let's choose course one. So which course would you like to apply it to? So let's choose course one. That's the technical support fundamentals. So let's use that one. So we have to click next. So after clicking next, you have this technical support fundamental logo, and that is it. So they will ask you to enroll. Please don't click on enroll. If you click on oh, you still be charged. That is, you still provide your credit card. You don't have to enroll. Come and click continue the application. Continue to the application. So after clicking now, you'll be redirected to another page where you continue filling your application. You are requesting for financial aid. We don't have money, so we are requesting for financial aid. So right now they say tell us about yourself. So you input yourself, whatever information that is being required. Just put it and make sure it is true and not a lie. Alright, so we click on the select education level. Alright, so you can select any education level that qualifies for you. Okay, for me, I'm choosing college degree. So what is your annual income? For this, this is your annual income. And since you don't have money, I don't think you have an annual income. But if you do, don't hesitate to put it there. But for me, I don't have any money, so I'm just gonna put zero. I'm just gonna put zero because I don't have any money. Okay, so you can choose the currency you want. Currently, I'm taking from Ghana, and Ghana we spend in cities. So I'm going to look for cities and click on cities. All right, so here's cities. So I have city zero Ghana cities. Yeah, zero Ghana city in my account. Like I don't have any annual income. So what's your employment status? All right, so I'll choose student. It depends on you which you want to choose. We have full time, we have part time, we have unemployed, and we have other. I prefer to choose the student because that's what I qualify for. All right. So here they're asking why are you applying for financial aid? So here it has to be brief and it has to be 150 words, which is here 150 words. So whatever you are writing here should be true and brief. why are you applying for financial aid? Sorry, why are you applying for financial aid? So the reason why you're applying for financial aid, maybe you don't have money, maybe you're financially broke and you need support. Whatever the reason is, make sure it's very tangible that they wouldn't they wouldn't reject you. All right, so let's put a sample here so that we can all benefit from it. All right. So there is a sample I just did. Here's a sample I just did uh, to request for financial aid. That is why I'm applying for the financial aid. So this is my reason, and it can be different from yours. So I just include this so that we can move to the next because without this we can't move to the next page. All right. So we are the next page, and here they are asking just a few more questions. We want to ask you a few more questions so that they can uh, know exactly why you are requesting for financial aid. All right. So how much can you pay for your selected course? Since you are requesting for financial aid, it means that you don't have money to pay, right? So for me, I will just put zero for there because I don't have money. I don't have money, and it depends. You can choose what you want. You can use the 49. For me, I don't have money, so I just select zero. All right. And here, how will you select course? How will your selected course help with your goals? So here they are asking how will the selected course, the course that you choose, the course you want to learn, how will it help with your goals, your dream, what you want to do, your career? How will the course you have selected, how will it help? So here they're just asking for, and that one too should be 150 words. It should be 150 words. And here too, I'll put a sample so that you can. All right, so we input some text here so that we move to the next page. And here they say, how will your selected course help with your goals? Well, how will my selected course help with your goals? Okay, with my goals. Okay, so I'll just input something I've already written. All right, so the technical so let me let me delete this. Okay, so develop fundamental technical skills. Okay, the course covers essential technical blah 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 blah. So you have to make sure that whatever you are writing is directly towards what will help you within the course to achieve your goals. All right, so here let's come and take on the terms and conditions. So we first take the first one and take the second one. So they say I commit to finishing my Coursera course. Alright. So here I say agree to the terms above. So they say please type the following sentence. Okay, so I have to type the following sentence. Alright, so I finished typing the course. After typing the sentence that is provided above, which is I agree to the terms above. Alright, so I just have to click on I'm not a robot. Yeah, then you review. So from here you are done. But since I have already enrolled in this course, I don't want to do it again. All right. So if this is your first time joining my channel, uh, I want you to subscribe to this channel so that